Some of us are auditory learners, which means we listen to learn. Reading a text like this on a computer screen can be challenging for auditory learners and any learner who is faced with distractions at home or in class. I am going to show you how to use the Read Aloud feature for Common Lit. First, make sure that you're logged in. Make sure to click on Login with Google and use your student NISD account if it asks. Then click Read Aloud. Then press play.
Catherine Switzer, the first woman to officially enter the Boston Marathon.
You can press pause, which is located right here. Pause and play.
Return to the course.
And you can also press stop. You'll notice that it highlights the text as well as reads the text out loud. You can also change the font size, which could be helpful when you're reading as well. If you're struggling reading a PDF from Common Lit, consider logging on to the website and using the Read Aloud function.